JTAG and its role in Xbox 360 modding.
Hello, and welcome. Today, we're going to delve into the world of JTAG, particularly focusing on its application with the Xbox 360. And here's the twist. We're going to discuss how it works without any soldering. This is an incredibly interesting topic if you're curious about console modding, so stay tuned.
What is JTAG?
JTAG, or the Joint Test Action Group, is a standard method for verifying designs and testing printed circuit boards after manufacture. It was developed by the eponymous Joint Test Action Group in 1985. JTAG's primary purpose is hardware debugging and testing, but it's also frequently used in software debugging.
How is JTAG related to Xbox 360?
You may be wondering why we're talking about JTAG in relation to the Xbox 360. Well, JTAG is commonly used in the modding scene of Xbox 360. The JTAG hack, named after the JTAG port, is a way of bypassing certain security sectors of the Xbox 360's motherboard. This allows gamers to run unsigned code, or homebrew, on the console, meaning they can customize their gaming experience in many ways not originally intended by the manufacturers.
How does JTAG work on Xbox 360 without soldering?
Typically, applying a JTAG mod to an Xbox 360 involves soldering connections onto the motherboard. This requires technical knowledge and precision, and there's always a risk of damaging the motherboard. But you asked about applying JTAG without soldering. That's where R-JTAG, or Reset Glitch Hack, RGH, comes into play. The R-JTAG and RGH methods are the most common ways of applying a JTAG-like hack without the need for soldering. They allow for similar functionality as a JTAG hack, such as running unsigned code, but they can be applied to newer versions of the Xbox 360 that can't be JTAGed and do not require soldering. These hacks involve resetting the processor on the Xbox 360, causing it to glitch and boot a custom bootloader instead of the one initially designed by Microsoft. However, these are still complex procedures and may void your warranty or possibly brick your console if not done correctly. JTAG has revolutionized the world of Xbox 360 modding by opening a gateway to expanded possibilities and experiences. However, it's always crucial to remember the potential risks and consequences, including voiding warranties and possibly damaging your console. While methods such as R-JTAG and RGH can accomplish a JTAG-like hack without soldering, they still demand a high degree of understanding and care. Until next time, game on, mod with care, and always keep exploring new tech horizons.